What is a receivership? It's Sunday night, 6:59 p.m., and Mike's buddies are there to watch the big pay-per-view event. But Mike's bank card isn't working. Boy, is he mad. Am I a victim of identity theft? Did someone steal all my money? Who did this to me? Let's start at the beginning. A few years ago, Mike wanted a big screen TV. But there was a huge sale going on, so he also added a sound system, a laptop, and a few other cool gadgets, and decided to put it all on his credit card. When the huge credit card bill arrived, Mike accidentally misplaced the bill. A month later, a past due bill arrived, but Mike was just too busy to deal with it, so he set it aside. A few months after that, a collection letter arrived, which Mike promptly filed with his other important documents. Because Mike didn't pay back the credit card company, they took it to court, and a lawsuit was filed. Mike was served with the lawsuit, but he didn't know what to do, so he did nothing. While Mike was doing nothing, the lawyers were doing something, and the court granted a judgment against Mike. In Texas, a judgment is valid for 10 years, and they can be renewed another 10 years after that, and then another 10 years after that, and so on indefinitely. But Mike took no action in response to the judgment either. So the lawyers decided to take more action and went back to court. This time, they asked for a receivership. In Texas, a court can appoint a receiver to locate and liquidate a defendant's non-exempt property to pay off a judgment. The judge in Mike's case signed a receivership order, giving the power to seize Mike's non-exempt assets, like his bank account. The receivership order was sent to Mike's bank, and the bank froze Mike's account. In Texas law, when the receiver learns a bank account is frozen, the receiver sends the statutory notice of rights documents to a defendant explaining defendant's legal rights for seized property. And that's why Mike's bank card isn't working. Mike finally realized it was time to give this matter the attention it deserved. So what did Mike do? To unfreeze his bank account and get him on the road to resolution, Mike called Jenkins Court Receivers and spoke with a solution specialist. Together, they were able to create a payment plan that worked for Mike's financial situation. With an agreement in place for monthly payments he could afford, Mike was able to pay off the judgment over time and put this matter behind him. If your bank tells you to call Jenkins Court Receivers, be like Mike. Call to speak with a solution specialist at 214-220-2022 or visit courtreceivers.com and let us help you get on the road to resolution.